Hello everyone. Hope you're all doing good. So today we are here for grade 1 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is fraction. Here are the list of the lesson. The first lesson today we discuss which is simple fractions. What fraction does the shape now show? Second lesson is simple fraction part of a group. Fractions word problem. For grade 1 maths. The chapter today we discuss that is fraction. Here are the list of the lessons. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudent.com. You have to log in by using their email and password that is provided by the administrator. Go to the subject tab, select maths from there. Here are the grades. View all chapter for grade 1. Here are the list of the chapters. So we are on the last chapter now. So click this. And here are the list of the lesson. Let's start from the very first lesson, okay? That is simple fraction. What fraction does this shape show? So look at here the question. What fraction of the shape is purple? So first of all, we are just going to count the equal number of parts. Okay, how many number of parts are there? Then we check how many purple. Let's suppose, for example, if I'm going to draw this shape here, this shape, let's suppose. For example, this is the shape and here the one part is red. Okay. So how can we say that? First of all, in the denominator, we are just going to put how many total parts are there. Okay, look, count it how many total parts are there. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So putting 4 in the denominator. And now check how many parts are red. So look at here, how many parts are red? Only 1. So putting 1 on the numerator. So we can say that the answer is 1 by 4. Okay. For example, let's suppose if I'm going to draw the circle here and then this circle is divided into two parts and then in which two of them are colored. Okay, so firstly we are going to put in the denominator how many total parts? It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 total parts. And how many are green? Only 1 and 2. So putting 2 on the top. So this is the answer. Okay. So for example, let's suppose this one. What fraction of this shape? Now you guys tell me. Check it out the fraction. So first of all, we count the numbers of equal parts. How many numbers of equal parts? Then count the numbers of big parts. Okay, then we see the result. Okay, let me write it here a question. Then you guys tell me what is the answer of this. Okay. For example, I am going to draw this shape here. Everyone tell me now. Okay. So this is the shape and then in which so what is the answer of this one? First of all, in the denominator, we are going to check how many total parts. Count it everyone and then tell me. How many total parts we are putting in the denominator? There are basically 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So putting 5 here, and how many are red? It's only 1 and 2. So we are putting in the numerator is 2. 2 are red, and how many total we are putting in the denominator? There are basically 1, 2, 3. I was just checking my mic, okay? Now let's do the next. For example, here is the star. Okay, and now I'm going to. Okay, now you guys tell me what is the answer of this one. Yeah, very well done. It's 5 and 2. Now tell me the answer of this one. So how many total parts? It's only 1 and 2. 2 is total. And how many which is yellow? Only 1. So this is 1 by 2. It's 1 by 2. Okay. This is the answer of that. Let's suppose I'm going to draw this triangle here. For example, this is the shape. So now tell me, how can we write it? Putting total number of parts in the denominator, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So putting 4 in the denominator, and how many which is orange? Only 1. So putting 1 here. 1 by 4 is your answer. Okay. Now let's do the test questions. So this is the what fraction of the shape is pink. So first of all, now you guys tell me the answer. I'm waiting. How many total parts of this circle? There are two total parts. And how many which is pink? Only one. So it's 1 by 2. Okay. Is it right answer? Alright. What fraction of the shape is blue? Let's solve this one. So the shape, this one is given. Okay. And only one part is blue. Okay. So first of all, we are going to count how many total parts are there. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So putting 4 in the denominator, and how many parts which is blue? Only 1. So it's 1 by 4. So we are putting in 1 by 4 here. Okay. So what fraction of the shape is yellow? So let's solve this one. What fraction of the shape is yellow? This is the question, like this way. And here are, okay, and then, so how many parts which is yellow? How many total parts are there? It's 1, 2, and 3. So putting 3 here. How many parts which is yellow? Only 1. So it's 1 by 3. Okay. All right. Look at here this question. This is the circle shape. This is the shape of the circle here. And then in this way, this is your question. Now tell me, how many total part of this circle? The total part of this circle is 1 and 2. Two parts. Okay. And how many which are yellow? On which are green? Sorry, only one. Okay, so it's 1 by 2. So we are putting it here 1 by 2 with this option. Let's go with it. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this one. Hurry up, everyone. Tell me the answer of this one. What fraction of the shape is pink? First of all, count the total parts and then check how many parts which are pink. Four are total parts and the pink is only one. So it's 1 by 4. Okay. Now look at this question. What fraction of the shape is green? Let's draw this and then we solve it. This is the shape of the circle. Okay. And then it's divided into like this way. And this one is the green. Okay. So first of all, we are going to write how many total parts. It's one, two, and three. This is three. And how many parts which is green? Only one. So 1 by 3 is your answer. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay. So now solve the rest of the test questions by yourself. Okay, hope you guys understand this lesson. Let's do the next lesson, which is simple fraction parts of a group. So, what fraction of the tube are blue? So first of all, what we do, we are going to count the total tubs are here. How many total tubs are there? And then we check how many tubs which is blue. Okay. So the one tub which is blue, and the one tub which is red. Okay, so how many total tubs are there? Which is 2. And how many tubs which are blue? Which is 1. One tub which is blue. And how many total tubs? There are 2 total tubs. Okay, total tubs are 2 basically, and the blue is only 1. So the total number we always written in the denominator, and the interested one we are going to write in the numerator. Okay, so it's 1 by 2 is your answer. What fraction of the bows are orange? So first of all, count it how many total bows are there. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we are putting 4 in the denominator. And how many are orange? Only 1. So it's 1 by 4. Okay. The total number we are putting in the denominator. So how many total? Again count it 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now the orange one, this is only 1. So 1 by 4 is your answer. So in third question, what fraction of the suitcases are green? So how many total suitcases are there? This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And how many are the green? Only 1. So it's 1 by 4. Let's take some question from there. For example, if I'm going to draw the stars, so first of all, you tell me how many total stars are there, and then we check it out how many black in it. Okay, we are interested in the black. So the total number of stars are there is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Total numbers of stars is 4, so we are putting 4 in the denominator. How many stars are black? Only one. So we are putting in the top in the numerator. This is 1 by 4. Okay. So in this way we write our answer. Let's do some next other question. For example, if I'm going to take, so for example, let's write some hertz are there, and then so first of all, how many total hertz are there and how many blue in it? We are interested in that. Okay. So the total number of hertz are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So putting 5 in the denominator. And how many are the blue? Only 1 and 2. So there are 2. 2 are the blue. So putting 2 in the top and 5 is in the denominator. Okay, this is the answer 2 by 5. All right. Okay, let's do some test questions for that. So first of all, here are the suitcases. What fraction of the suitcases are green? So first of all, count the total. How many of total? So how many total? It's 4. And how many is green? Only 1. Okay, check the total. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the green is 1. Okay, so we are putting the total in the denominator, and the green one is only 1. This is on the top. So that is 1 by 4. So let's do it 1 by 4 here. And this is the right answer. Okay. What fraction of the octagonal prism are orange? So first of all, count it. How many total octagonal prisms are there? So this is only 3. Okay. Total octagonal prisms are 3. Total is 3. So putting 3 in the denominator. How many orange are there? Only 1. So 1 is orange and this one is putting in the top. That is 1 by 3. What fraction of the bows are green? First of all, count the total bows. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So the total number of bows are 5. And how many of green in it? Only 1. So it's 1 by 5. Okay. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this one. Everyone tell me the answer of this. What fraction of the ovals are green? So first of all, what we do, what we put in the denominator and what we put in the numerator. Everyone tell me in the chat. Okay, now you guys tell me the answer of this one. Everyone tell me the answer of how many total ovals are there? This is 2. Okay. And how many are green? Only 1. So the answer is 1 by 2. So what fraction of the bows are orange? Count it the total bows and count it how many orange in it. And then tell me the answer in the chat. Just tell me the answer. It's 1 by 3 or 1 by 4. So the total number of bows are 4. and the orange in it is 1. So 1 by 4. It's option B. Okay. What fraction of the cups are orange? So how many cups are there? First of all, let's count it. Very good. Very well done. It's 1 by 4. It's one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how many total are there? Total are there is 5. It's one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And how many orange in it? Only 1. So 1 by 5 is your answer. Okay. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So let's do the next lesson. Solve the rest of the test question in the previous lesson by yourself. Okay. Source of fractions, word problems. So let's do it. So in the very first question, they are saying that the Becky bought 7 bagels for brunch last Sunday. How many total? 7. Okay. And 5 of the bagels had raisins. What fraction of the bagels had raisins? Already given. Basically, Becky bought 7 bagels. Okay. Total is 7 and 5 of it are raisins. Okay. So we are just going to click 5 is the interested one and 7 is the total. So 5 by 7. Okay. In the second question, the Geordie arranged 7 flowers in the vase. She used 2 roses. Okay. Arranged 7 flowers in the vase and how many total number of flowers? 7. And how many she used? 2. She used 2 roses. What fraction of the flowers were roses? Okay, the total number of flowers are 7. And how many she used? 2. 2 by 7 is your answer. So the total number of flowers are 7 and she used 2 roses, so 2 by 7. There are 9 restaurants in the Black Town. How many total number of restaurants? 9. 5 of the restaurants serve the hamburgers. Okay, total number of restaurants are 9. Then 5 of the restaurants serve the hamburger. What fraction of the restaurants serve the hamburger? 5 of the restaurants interested. And how many total number of restaurants? These are 9. So 5 by 9. Okay. Let's do the test questions. So the Becky bought, let's do the test. 10 students went to the zoo. How many number of students went to the zoo? 9 of them saw the penguins. Okay. How many total number of students? 10. And how many saw the penguins? 9. So what fraction of the students saw the penguins? So 9 by 10. Okay. 9 is basically saw the penguins and total is 10. So we are putting total in the denominator and 9 putting in the top. So 9 by 10. Becky bought 7 bagels for the brunch last Sunday. 5 of the bagels had raisins. What fraction of the bagels had raisin? How many total number of bagels? Total is 7 and 5 of them for raisins. Okay. Interested number putting in the top and the total number, total amount putting in the denominator. So that is 5 by 7. Hector made a bouquet with 10 flowers. She used 7 pink flowers. What fraction of the flowers were pink? How many total number of flowers? This is 10. And how many she used? 7 used pink. So we're going to finding it out the fraction of these pink flowers. Okay, 7 by 10. So 7 by 10. It's the last option. Let's do with it. There were 3 students in the swimming pool. How many total students are in the swimming pool? 3 students. Okay. So putting 3 in the denominator. One got out. What fraction of the student got out? How many got out? That is only 1. So 1 is getting out. So this is 1 by 3. So here is our answer. This is the 1 by 3. There are 9 restaurants in the Black Town. 5 of the restaurants serve the hamburgers. What fraction of the restaurants serve the hamburgers? How many total number of restaurants are there? This is 9. Okay, and 5 of the restaurants serve the hamburgers. Total number of restaurants are 9, and 5 of the restaurants serve the hamburgers. So its total is 9. Just putting the total in the denominator, and how many serve the hamburgers? 5. So 5 by 9. Dakotas are the 4 crabs in an aquarium. 2 of the crabs were orange. How many total number of crabs? 4. And how many are orange? 2. What fraction of the crabs were orange? So first of all, how many total number of crabs? 4. And how many were orange? 2. 2 were orange. This is 2 by 4. Okay. It's 2 by 4. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. So this chapter is completed. Okay. So we have done all these 3 lessons: simple fraction, what fraction does the shape show, simple fraction, parts of a group, and the fraction word problems. Now let's get start again the first chapter, and now we covered the first lesson. Okay, this is accounting and the number patterns, and then we are going to cover the very first lesson for this very first chapter, that is counting review up to 10. All right, so how many presents are there? So look at here, how many total presents are there? Just count it and then tell me. Everyone tell me in the chat. How many total number of presents are there? It's one, two, three, four, and 5. Okay, total number of presents are 5. All right. Okay, so how many balls are there? Okay, count it everyone and then tell me. It's 8. Very well done. Okay. So, how many crocodiles are there? Everyone tell me how many crocodiles are there. Count it, everyone, and then tell me. It's again 8. Okay. So, let's do with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Now, let's do the test questions. How many snakes are there? Let's count. It's one, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 snacks. So let's do with it 6. And then check. This is the right answer. Okay. Number of balls. How many number of balls are there? How many total number of balls are there? Count it, everyone, and then tell me the answer. The options are given, which is 8, 9, 1, or 6. So how many of it? It's one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. It's 8. Let's do with the option 1. This is 8 here. Let's go with it. And this is the right answer. Okay. So, how many balls are there? The options are given 8, 7, 5, or 1. So, how many total number of balls are there? Count it and then tell me. It's one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So the total are 7 when we count it. So here's the option B. So let's go with it. How many chickens are there? Okay. These are the chickens and the options is 9, 1, 10, or 7. So count it and then tell me. Count it, everyone, and tell me in the chat. Tell me the answer in the chat. Do it fast. Count these chickens and then tell me the answer in the chat. Everyone tell me the answer. Okay. One tell me the answer is 9. All right, very good. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are total 9. So let's go with the option A. So how many number of presidents are there? Options are given 6, 5, 1, or 4. Count the number of presidents and then tell me. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, these are 5. How many tortoises are there? Options are given Here 9, 1, 10, or 5. Count it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. These are total 10. Okay. So let's go with this option. So this is 10. How many cars are there? So this is only 1. So let's go with this option. Hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Let's do the next one. Okay. So solve the rest of these test questions by yourself. Count to fill a 10 frame. Okay. So in the first question, they are saying that there are 9 dots on the frame. Okay. How many dots? Let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 dots in the frame. A full frame has 10 dots. So how many more dots do you need to make? So look at here the missing dot. How many missing dots are there? Then you put it and then it makes 10. So the missing dots, you put it only 1. Okay. So this is 1. Let's suppose, okay, if I'm going to, for example, I'm going to draw the frame. So here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Here are the dots. 1 dot, 2 dot, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now tell me. These dots are given. Okay? Here. Like these dots are filled here. Now you tell me how many more dots than you put it, then it makes 10. This is 1 and 2. So you can say that 2. Okay? You just check it out and then write the answer. Like how many of it. For example, if I'm going to put this question like this way. Yeah, good, it's 2. For example, if I'm going to say that like this is your question. So how many more dots that you need to make 10? Count the missing places. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now your answer is 4. Okay. Let's suppose if your question is like about this. Now this time you tell me how many dots that you need to put it. Then it makes 10. Okay. Now you guys tell me. Count it and then tell me. It's how many of it? Count it and then tell me. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So how many of it? It's total 5. Okay. Now suppose, for example, let's do some test questions. So there are 9 dots in the frame. A full frame has 10 dots. So how many more dots that you need to make 10? Hurry up, tell me, everyone. It's only need 1. So we are going to put it here 1. So this is the right option. Okay, there are 7 dots on the frame. A full frame has 10 dots. So how many more dots that you need to make 10? Check it out. Total are basically 7 dots. And how many more dots that you need to put? 3. Very good. This is the right answer. Okay. So there are 6 dots on the frame. A full frame has 10 dots. How many more dots you need to make 10? Just tell me, everyone. How many missing places are there? Count it. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So here are 4. All right. So hope you guys understand this lesson as well. Before starting the next session, you guys practice all these lessons that we covered today. And if you still don't get in any and then you need help in any kind of the questions, then you can contact tutors by using this live chat button, putting your department here like English or maths that you need help with, putting your name and then just sending. Okay. So this is the way to contact the tutors. And today we covered the grade 1 maths chapter name fraction. These are the 3 lessons and also covered the first chapter. Okay. We also covered the first chapter, 2 lessons. So for now, have a good day, you all. Bye.